She said it was just a name, but the police report told a different story. In this courtroom twist, a mother fights through addiction, shame, and broken trust, only to face a judge who doesn't hold back. You want to be in your daughter's life? Then make better choices. With no way out, a guilty plea, and one final chance for redemption, this is State vs. Kaylee Vader. Watch until the end, because in this court, justice doesn't play.
That have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
May I bring her up?
Yes. All right, and there's no application?
No, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2025 CR 006708, State versus Kaylee Vader, or is it Vater?
Vader, miss.
Vader. Can I have parties announce?
Danielle Cranbrook for the defense.
And are you Miss Vader?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Vader, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
That's my ability. Yes, ma'am.
Well, this is the document. That's the indictment. It tells you what you're charged with. Did you review that with your attorney?
I believe so.
Well, we're not doing I believe so's. Either you did or you didn't.
Yes, yes.
So this document tells you what you're charged with. Did you review it with your client? I'm sorry, with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am. I believe so.
All right. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record. Mr. Reitmeyer?
Yes, ma'am.
So your client thinks, your witness thinks they're in the waiting room?
That's what I'm told. He's joining now. That's what I just got.
All right, because he's not in the waiting room. You may want to make sure that you have the right number. All right, we're back on the record. Ms. Vader, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with fraudulent use or possession of identifying information less than 5 items as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that you have no contact with Janaya Krista Ortega. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. City exhibit number 1 with all the attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? All right. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We'd ask the court to pull the agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Anything you wish to say? Miss?
Other than, various causing inconvenience to my sister.
All right. It's more than just an inconvenience. Why would you use her cards and everything?
I didn't use her cards, Your Honor. All I said was I just gave her name whenever the police questioned, because this was the nature of this was so bad that I guess they called the cops. And my assumption, I don't remember anything really, honestly. I was in septic shock by the time they kind of got me. I don't remember where I was. Remember the conversation.
According to the police report, your sister said you called her and you told her she was going to be mad because you used her information.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Here's the thing. When's the last time you had employment?
Since before my daughter was born, I was a stay-at-home mom.
Mm-hmm. And where's your daughter now?
With her dad. With her.
And how old is she?
She's 8.
All right. And what have you been doing with your life? Be honest.
Since I came into the system, I tried to follow probation. I had a job and all that, but I wasn't prepared for how empty I'd be without her, and I ended up out on the streets and doing drugs.
All right, so no, here's the thing. I understand
You're me, but
yeah, I understand you're saying that's why you ended up on the streets doing drugs, but there's more going on. And if you want to be in your daughter's life, you're going to have to make better choices. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Take in consideration 2025 PF 25525. There's to be no contact with Janae Kirsta Ortega, and I'll recommend the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, when you're released from custody, if you can't find a sober support house to stay in or transition housing, and I'm still here, you can come back here and I'll find a placement for you. But if you continue the way you are, it's not going to turn out well for you. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, defense, do you need to speak to your witness before we have a jury come in?
Your Honor,
Yes.
may I prove?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your Honor, I have Ms. Noelle Louise Elliott. I compared with her, compared with the state, but I
Kaylee Vader pleads no contest to charges of using someone else's identifying information, and the court finds her guilty. She claims she only gave her sister's name to police, but the judge confronts her with the evidence. She shares her struggles with addiction and homelessness after being separated from her daughter. The court sentences her to 1 year in state jail, a $2,000 fine, and recommends therapeutic support with no contact with the victims.